So hey guys, today I am doing some fricassee chicken. So in Jamaica that's basically frying cooked down chicken. So my chicken here is already washed with some vinegar. So I'm now adding some chicken seasoning. I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. I have here some bulk hot wing seasoning. I'm also going to add some garlic powder, hoping that it will, eventually melt. I'm also going to go in with some ginger powder. It's a little bit. I have here as well some paprika. So I want to get that seasoning all over the chicken. So this is my chicken after frying, and I'm now going to escovitch. Okay guys, so it's now time to cook down my chicken. So I have here some butter melting. I'm going to add some tomatoes. I have some scotch bonnet pepper. I have here garlic. I have onions. I have some thyme leaves. And I have some sweet peppers. I'm now going to add the seasoning from my chicken with some water. And I'm adding some carrots as well. Adding some ketchup. Get that gravy nice and thick. I'm now going to add my chicken and cover this for another 15 minutes, and then it's going to be ready to serve. I'm going to add some pimento seeds. So I'm covering this on low flame for another 15 minutes, as I said before, guys, and we'll be ready to serve.
5 more minutes.